Day and ready to go back to work today. So I was not feeling that great yesterday. I actually stayed home from work, and this morning I'm feeling a bit better. Still not 100%, but feeling a bit better. So I am gonna go to work today. And today I'm having issues with my lunch, right? Always a lunch problem. So for lunch, I am going to I don't want salad because my stomach was like kind of all upset. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That is a mystery. So again, I'm so excited about my weight loss this last week. So I really want to focus hard, and since I'm not feeling the best, I really want to try to eat healthy and try not to do so much. You know, when you get sick, you kind of like rice, you want noodles, so I'm gonna try not to do any of that. But on the other hand, I also cannot do salads either. So with stating that, what do I eat? What is it that I eat for that? I don't know. Anyway, so with Weight Watchers, it's actually is pretty easy. Like if you go get something to eat, you just have to take the points, and I'm always willing to take points, but I also want things that are low points, 0 points. So I feel like if I'm eating 0 points that I'm doing better, but I really don't know if I am or not. There's calories in everything we eat, right? Every single thing we put in our mouth. So I don't know what I'm going to do today. This morning for breakfast, I had a bowl of Quaker Oats brown sugar, maple and brown sugar, lower sugar. It was 4 points. That's a mouthful to say. And I had a piece of the 100% whole wheat toast. So, and spray butter. So my breakfast this morning was 5 points. I had a cup of lemon ginger tea. Love lemon ginger tea. I cannot tell you, it makes my stomach feel so much better. And for a long time, I did not do caffeine. Like I was off caffeine for probably about 7, 8, 9 years. Like if I drank coffee, it was decaf. I would drink only white soda. If I had soda, I drank a lot of water, and I drank a lot of herbal tea. And I think that's where I'm gonna head back to for a little bit. So I'm taking a cup of mint tea with me for work today that I can sip on, and it usually stays warm in my little mug for a while. I need to find a mug that, you know, is very insulated and that will keep things hot. If I could do that, that would be great. Even like, I used to have a little thermos, it was like this big, and I would take soup in that, and when I got ready for lunch, that soup was still like super hot. So I don't know what happened to that, and all my moving around the world, I've lost it somewhere, left it somewhere. So I gotta think about getting something else like that. Any ideas? What do you guys use for your lunches when you're taking something warm? Please comment below for me. I would love to hear from you. I want to know what's going on with you, how you're doing. What are you doing? Are you doing Weight Watchers? Are you doing low carb? Are you doing diabetic diet? What kind of plan are you following, and how's it working for you? Would love to know. And I just want to thank everybody again for the support. It means so much to me when I get those little cheers and congratulations, and I'm so excited. So that makes me even more excited. So definitely I want to thank each and every one of you. That is so sweet and so kind of you. And Buddy, on the other hand, has been kind of crazy today. I don't know. He keeps running back and forth, back and forth. So I don't know what his deal is. Right, Buddy? What are you doing? Crazy boy. So today I have the problem with lunch. For dinner, I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pop back on here at lunchtime. I do eat in my car, so just so you guys know, I am eating in my car today. And we'll see what I decide to have and how many points it's going to be. So I get 27 points for the day, and I've already used 5. So I still have a lot of points to go. So we'll see what happens and see how work goes. I'm hoping I feel better. Anyway, everybody, I will see you. I will check in again real soon. We'll talk at lunch. Okay, checking in at lunch. I am coming to Lion's Choice. This is going to be my lunch today. So I don't have my seatbelt on. I just took it off because I'm pulling into Lion's Choice. Anyway, so I am in Lion's Choice right now. I am going to get a regular roast beef with no seasoning, no cheese, and I just wanted to show you that I was at Lion's Choice. Anyway, no roast beef, no seasoning, no cheese, and it's 10 points, and a Diet Coke is 0, so my lunch is going to be 10 points today. All right, guys, have a great day. See, Lion's Choice. And I will check in at dinner time once I get home. So we will, what I ate in a day. Oh, they have turkey too. I don't know what that is. Can I get a regular roast beef with no seasoning and a medium Diet Coke? Hey, I'm home. So now is dinner, and it is 7:30. So my dinner is going to be very light. So I just got at the store, Special K. I'm gonna have a bowl of Special K, call it a night. All right, well, that was what I eat in a day. So I will record again another day, and that way I can compare what I had today versus another day. So thanks, everybody. I will talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Mwah. Bye.